welcome back everyone. It's Team Irvin here. Welcome to our weekly forecast. This is for the week of May 9 to the 13th. So we had an amazing weekend trade last week. So guys, bear with me. I'm gonna be showing you about 5 to 6 pairs, and also I will be dropping one of the indicator on the chat room. Stay with me. This time I will do it as soon as I release this video. But here we go. So once again guys, thank you for watching and being witnesses of our Forex weekly forecast for the week of May 9 to the 13th, trading here with our TWEforexsystem.com. So let's go. Let me show you what the market has to offer this coming week, guys, and let me know if you do have any question. All right, ready? Let's go. All right, so we're gonna start with the most tradable pair in the world, because I want to fire you up. So this is what I'm gonna give you guys. I know last week I said that I was gonna hand it over to you guys, but I was just waiting to see how many comments I was gonna get. I'm gonna give you this trend line in here. It's absolutely for free. There's just a free indicator, so you're gonna get it so you can see it, and it's pretty amazing, pretty nice. So if you do pay attention here, before I talk about multiple time frame, is building up. Basically it's just touching and dancing on that trend line, but it's also considered on your zero Fibonacci level, so it's just sitting in there. That's what I always mention to everyone, guys. Your buy zone and your sell zone is your zero Fibonacci is your buy zone, and your 100 Fibonacci level is your sell zone. All right, so always remember that. All right, let's go back to the video, guys. Here is Euro USD. Always pay attention to your dashboard. The dashboard will be giving you the answer of any question you may have. Look at here, everything here is telling me, Irvin, we are selling in the market. So if the market is selling, what are you supposed to do? Are you supposed to be buying? This is Euro USD, guys. I did make a video last week that Euro USD was not ready yet to be on that buy position, that we need more evidence. So here we go. I'm just repeating it all over again, saying, hey guys, Euro USD is absolutely not ready yet to be on that buy position, but this is gonna be very nice. So what I'm seeing here, guys, multiple time frame already firm, saying, Irvin, we are gonna be looking for a potential buy, but we trade with rules. So in my opinion, market's still gonna be pushing, retesting your zero Fibonacci level. From there, this is what I'm expecting to see here, guys. I'm expecting to see here a TWE sniper entry, confirming and Sir Irvin, now it's time to be on that buy position, retesting your previous 38.2 Fibonacci level, which is your previous multiple time frame. And here the market will do a small correction, and boom, everybody will be trading on that buy position. All right, any question, guys? Now I'm gonna give you the next example. I want you to do it yourself. Take your time, look at the chart and see if it makes sense. All right, so the next pair that I have for you guys, it is the following. It is GBP JPY. Pay close attention to GBP JPY. What is your dashboard saying? Look, boom. Are we in a buy or are we selling? Right, you said that we are selling the market. That is accurate. That's exactly what I'm seeing here. So look at here, all the sellers are here, so it's getting ready for a buy. But on Friday the market was still testing as a sell. Why is that sell? Here it is. Look at here, multiple time frame TWE. Look at how beautiful came in, respected this trend line in here. Beautiful. This is a free indicator, guys. I'm gonna give it to you guys. And then when we're gonna do a Zoom call on Tuesday, this coming Tuesday. I can teach you some secret on this free indicator that you're gonna get, and so you can trade it better off with our multiple time frame. All right, so look at here, the stairs is beautifully coming where? Coming down, saying that GBP JPY is selling. Here's one touch, continuation, and boom, market is selling. So what's my understanding for this coming week, right? Because remember, we are here trading the week of May 9 to the 13th, here trading our Forex weekly forecast, right? So all I can say is the market here still has potential to retest this previous multiple time frame once again. Then from there, market is gonna do a small continuation. It's gonna go up, retesting your 61.8 Fibonacci level, and from there, market will continue selling down because the market is selling. So if you ask me, Irving, what is your opinion on GBP JPY market? It is selling. If someone else is telling you that you are supposed to be in the buy, good luck to you. Look guys, this is what I want you to get out of this. Always have and subscribe to some channel that tell you, a realistic analysis or forecast, however you want to name it. Don't depend on back data. A lot of other traders, they like to tell you, oh, if you would have taken this sell here, you would have made all this money. Oh, if you would have taken this buy, you would have made all that money. That is past. What you need to know is what is going to happen on Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and money time, payday, right? All right, so hopefully this makes sense. Let me show you the next one. The next one, it is GBP USD. Boom, look at that. Look at how that trend line worked, guys. It worked miraculously. It's amazing. If you look at here, don't get confused. Look at it, tell you, the dashboard saying what? Irving, we are selling. Tell you that. Look at here, look at the sell. You can't deny. You can't deny. There's no way you're gonna deny, because the market is doing exactly what I'm telling you here. Look at here, multiple time frame TWE sniper entries here. It came and retested that level. Look at the stairs, beautiful. This is why you need to have multiple time frame. Look at here, boom, touch 1, boom, touch 2. Look at here, boom, touch 3. Come and retest and meet your Fibonacci level. What happened from there? Market continues selling because, hey, it's only selling. And so if I had to explain you this, remember, this is a brand new week. We are doing our Forex weekly forecast. All right. So if I tell you here, Irving, or you, or whoever is watching, and I say, okay, this is what I'm seeing here. Market still selling, still gonna come back and retest this trend line once again, or this zero Fibonacci level, or even can drop more. And then from there, market will do a small retracement, retesting your 23.6 Fibonacci level, and then we make another sell down. So what am I expecting to see on this particular set? Overall, GBP USD is still selling, guys. It's still selling. The only answer of GBP USD at this present time is sell. Look at the green line in here. Look at this indicator here. This green line here is a potential the market is still gonna go up all the way up. But I don't want to predict that something that is not there yet. We trade with rules, so there's nothing available for you to take this trade yet. Nothing, absolutely nothing. I want to be clear, honest, and transparent, because that is the only way that you're gonna be collecting hundreds and hundreds of pips. Guys, once again, stop paying for signal, guys. Learn how to trade, please. Learn how to trade. Do not invest any money you cannot afford to lose in this business, guy. I'm not your financial advisor. I'm not giving you a signal like that. I'm giving you an analysis, a forecast, how things are expected to be predicted this coming week. But if you want me to teach you how to trade, let me know. The link on my Telegram is below. Ask me how I can help you. If whatever you want me to do, I will do it. If you want me to, give you a shout out, let me know. Whatever it is in your mind, but stop paying for signal, guys. Don't pay for signal. Look, this indicator here is free. So, all right, let me know and I will give it to you, okay? All right, so let's move on to the next pair. The next pair that I have for you, it is gold. Gold is amazing, guys. Look at the trend line, guys. It's just coming respected. This is what I love, this indicator here. Look here, came and respected here twice. Look at that beautiful thing. Look at here, came and touched here, came and touched this low here. Multiple time frame. Beautiful, 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 beautiful. But overall, look at the dashboard. The dashboard said Irving. Now we're doing a what? Look at the daily time frame. What's the daily time frame telling you in there? Saying that we are selling. Look at here, multiple time frame is here. RTW sniper entries here. Look at the stairs. You tell me if the WE dashboard is lying. Look at that. What happened? Boom! It dropped like it's hot. So what's my understanding for this week? Right now, guys, market is selling. So I can say, yes, market is going to come back and retest mid 23 to your 38 Fibonacci level. But overall, market is selling. It's still going to sell down. There's no opportunity in the long term to be in a buy position. If you are thinking to be in a long-term buy, you will be blowing your account on gold. I'm not giving you a signal. This is a weekly Forex forecast, but you most likely will blow your account trading gold if you go bullish, because bullish is not there yet. It's firming. Just because it's firming, it doesn't mean that it is already a goal to be on that buy position. Please guys, trade with rules. If you want me to teach you how to trade, let me know. Send me a message. My Telegram is below. I have WhatsApp in there. And guys, never ever I'm never gonna be sending you a message saying, hey, let me manage your account. That is not me. You're always gonna hear everything directly from me. I just want you to make sure you never fall into a scam. Okay, it's very important, very important, because we want to be honest, transparent in this business. We don't want to, you know, disrespect ourselves. Basically, if I lie to myself, I'm lying to my family, I'm lying to you guys, and I don't want to do that. I want to be honest and transparent. Fair? All right, let me give you the next pair, guys. The next pair that I have for you is USD CAD. Look at what USD CAD is doing, guys. Look at the dashboard. What's the dashboard saying? Look at how simple it is using multiple time frame, guys. Look at how beautiful and simple it is. Look at that. Boom. It's saying what? We are buying. That's exactly what it's saying. Look at here. Now let's look for multiple time frame and TW sniper entry. 1, 2. Look at the stairs. Stairs. Look at what left us on Friday. It left us 2 dots on the stairs. Usually the dots are between 5 and 6. Look at here. 6, 6. So we had the first 3, I'm sorry. So we need 3 more in here. So where's the market heading, guys? Where's the market heading? Or USD CAD, is it bullish or bearish? That's why you need to trade multiple time frame, guys. Multiple time frame here with Team with Irvin is the best. Look at here, boom, boom. So if you ask me, Irvin, so what's up with this pair? What should I do? I don't know, because I'm not giving you a signal. I'm just teaching you so you can learn the basic. So this is what I can think this week the market is gonna do, guys. I will bring it up. I believe the market is gonna come back and retest this multiple time frame once again, and then from there we're gonna get a nice signal coming down, and we're gonna be looking for, basically this is what I'm seeing here. Market's still gonna be pushing up, retesting this multiple time frame in here. Then from here we expecting to see a nice red arrow here, really nice, forming here. And then from there, market will give us a what? It will give us a pullback. So this is gonna be a considered pullback. And then one thing that I forgot to do here, guys, and I'm gonna do it with you live so you can see it, is the following. Once the market make that drop, we are gonna be expecting to see a pullback. What is that pullback gonna represent, right? That pullback is gonna represent and give us a what? It's gonna give us our TWE sniper entry. Remember, the TWE sniper entry, when it's bullish, when it's up, is green, right? The stairs is green. When the TW sniper entry is selling, the stairs turn red. So we don't have no red stairs here. So, but this is what I was expecting to see this coming week. Fair? Fair enough? Alright guys, so I want to thank you for watching our video. Hopefully you finding value on this video so far. If you are, make sure you do give me a thumbs up, drop a comment below, and let me know what pair you want me to do it for Tuesday. So we're gonna do a YouTube live streaming on Monday, guys. Stay with me and make sure you do subscribe. And once again, I want to thank you for watching our Forex weekly forecast for the week of May 9th to the 13th. And God bless you guys. God bless the world. God bless your family. God bless Ukraine, and God bless our beautiful nation, the United States of America. So hasta la vista, guys. Remember, Team with Irvin all the way. Peace out. Bye bye.